Ferrari. Ferrari is synonymous with performance and exclusivity. The Ferrari 488 GTB and Ferrari LaFerrari are legendary examples of the brand's commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with stunning design. The roar of a Ferrari engine and the precision of its handling are unmatched in the industry. Lamborghini. Lamborghini sports cars are known for their bold designs and mind-blowing performance. Models like the Lamborghini Aventador and Huracan are powered by powerful V10 and V12 engines and feature aggressive styling that makes a bold statement on the road. Porsche. The Porsche 911 is one of the most iconic sports cars ever made. Known for its perfect balance of performance and luxury, the 911 continues to be the benchmark for what a sports car should be. Porsche combines performance with practicality, making it one of the most well-rounded luxury sports cars available. Aston Martin. Aston Martin brings British sophistication and high performance together in models like the Aston Martin Vantage and the DB11. These cars are crafted for those who appreciate a blend of timeless design and powerful performance.